fullt först det rinner över, va? Okay, welcome back to a new video. Today we're shooting this Coke bottle. Why? Well, I don't think we ever shot a Coke bottle on this channel. And you know, you need to be ready when the phone rings and Coca-Cola is phoning you and ask you to shoot this. They need to be ready, of course. You need to practice. Maybe you heard about how you should prepare the bottle with a mix of water and glycerin. And I can put a link where I bought this one. It's not that good actually, because it becomes a bit too messy. If you look at this bottle I tried on first, it's a bit rough. So I tried on this one and I hold the bottle very far away, something like this, you know, and then I so we will go for that one. But I have something else. This is actually the whole reason for this video. I got something sent home to me. Maybe you wonder where I've been. Well, I'm very into pizza. That's what I've been doing. That's why there's no videos. I'm making pizza. You know, when I get into something, I go 100%. So, but now I'm a bit tired of the pizza and my family is tired of me making pizza all the time. So probably I should go back and make some YouTube videos. So when I get mozzarella home from the store, you know, I order online because it's hard to find the best mozzarella. So there is a store in south of Sweden, and when they send the mozzarella, they put in these guys to keep it cold. And I was curious to see what's inside these. It's like ice, but it's not ice at all. And when you put them on the bottle, it looks like ice. When I saw this, I just, wow, I need to make a YouTube video, of course. So we will try to put this onto the bottle. So I just put some on the left and the right side, and we'll take a shot to see if we need more. By the way, thanks for the coffee, all you coffee supporters out there, if you'd like to join. Today we're shooting with the Hasselblad H5D MS50, and I have a 120mm macro lens, two flashes, two D2 Pro Photo D2 flashes, both with two grids. It's actually only one light source on the bottle. It's that one. Let's take a shot without any flashes, and then we get this black frame. Then we know it will only be the flashes that will go into the shot. So next, let's turn on this flash and let's take a shot. Aha! I will take down this diffusion that I had on the side there, because I will probably put up two, one thick and one thin. So to make it very clear, let's go for only the flash with a zoom reflector with a 10-degree honeycomb grid, shooting from an angle from the side there. And then we will get this. It's burning on the right side there. And there's a highlight on the left side. I want this glow on the right side to be a bit bigger, and I want the highlight on the left a bit softer. So that's why we have these two. Let's put up this guy and let's take a shot. What will happen? You see how much nicer this side will become. And here you can see this product I just put on. And all these dots, this is the glycerin / water treatment I made before. And here you can see this ice. This is what I like. You see here, it's soft and fades out, and highlight on the side, and then it's soft and goes into darkness. mysterious. I want it to be like this because you know the shape of the bottle, you know what it is, you don't need to see the logo. And then we will add this diffusion. This is a thin diffusion, like a half a stop maybe, or maybe a quarter. I want the light source to be, I need it to be bigger really, but I don't want to put on a softbox because then there will be light in the whole room, destroying all the details. So we want to keep it small, but we want to add this so the light source becomes bigger. It's not that I want to diffuse the light really. That's not the main purpose. It will be diffused of course, but the main reason is I want it to become a bit bigger, I would say. So let's put back this guy and see what we will get. Yes, now we see we get a much bigger glow on this side. Oh, this looks very nice. Probably should add a bit more on this side, a bit more eyes. This is a bit dark because of the shape. Maybe we can add a golden paper. We can just hold this behind the bottle and then we will get a lot of action behind the bottle. Something like this. Probably we should go for that one and do the same on the top. I wish I had a bit longer one. Look what I found. If we cheat a bit and place this behind and then we take it out in post, this bottle will look like crazy cool. That looks really nice. Before we move on, I would like to put on some more eyes. So, why I'm so busy suddenly? Why is there no YouTube videos? Well, I'm creating a book. It's not really a cookbook. Well, there is food in it, but it's more like an art book. In the book, there will be 3 restaurants, food from 3 restaurants around the world. It's like 3 3-star Michelin star restaurants. First chef in the world managed to get all these stars. So that's what I'm doing, making a book with these photos from these restaurants. It's a lot of fun, very beautiful creations, working with food stylists. That's just amazing. The set designer, Niklas, he said, this is front row portfolio material. Front row portfolio, I like that. Maybe. Okay, now I'm really happy with the light on the left side. And I think we should add this one. Before we move on, I would like to show you the background. We can turn on this guy, because this guy is shooting on the background. Take a shot. We will get this 70s Coca-Cola ad. We should probably not have this red. It will take over too much. I'm not so fond of it. So let's put this down. A very subtle gray background fading out to darkness. Because when we take in the final shot, then we just move everything away. Then we have a clean background that we can work with in Photoshop. Let's see, do we get some light? Yeah, tiny bit, but I think that's enough. I think I will add a bit more eyes. Okay, now I added a bit of eyes. Okay, there we are. I will take this shot with a cap light and then I will add it together with the final shot with the glowing light behind it. And probably I will add maybe a new background, but I can use that one that we have. And like I said, now we should take away everything so we will have a clean background. I will move everything out of the frame and let's take a shot. I will also take one without the bottle. There's the eyes. Cool, huh? Okay, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, share. please share the video. Add in the comments what exactly you would like me to do. It's like, please shoot a Heineken bottle, please shoot a vodka bottle on a rock, you know, what, anything, because then it's easy for me to just set everything up, light it, shoot and show you. So please add in the comments what you would like me to shoot. And remember, as always, I will see you next
time.